When everyone folds, your fort still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool.
Gaan we terug doen?
Ons gaan.
Van ons. Okay.
Me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
We find you. We're calling my brother. This is my friend. If you thought this is my brother, you're not cool. I'm just joking with you.
Dan staan je weg, John. Staan weg, John. Staan weg.
Ja!
Als je er langs de kant af. Nee, dag man.
Ai.
Nee.
Ik ga niet nog. Ja, ik ga nog zo'n bedje ingooien.
Ja!
Ah, ik heb dus een tweede bedje.
Hi there guys, it is weekend and we are here at Montevue Guest Farm, Shocks, I hope I pronounced that right. We are here with 3 other families and we are camping at their wild camp spot. It is situated a few kilometers outside Montagu and their camp spot is in a valley surrounded by hills. Just show you around. Yes, we arrived here yesterday, I think just after 5. Pitched tents, got a few cold beers and started fire, and the boys went and the kids went up this mountain a couple of times. This morning everybody woke up and got their morning routine going. Yesterday was an interesting day as well, because en route to Montagu we decided to stop at the old famous fort. It's situated in the pass just before Montagu. Driven many times underneath the fort, have never stopped there, and the boys said, Dad, please can let us stop, and there's a little road that winds up the side of the track, and yeah, awesome seeing it. While we were up at the fort, of course they noticed that there was a watering hole to the left, and so myself and the 3 brave souls went down to go and explore this. And when we got to the watering hole, all the brave souls was gone, but after some tough and hard motivation, they all took a swim. So yeah, it is a beautiful day. Yeah, it is hot, it's gonna be hot. Fire's already going, and so we're moving from shade to shade. Today on the menu we've got sausages and wraps, and then we got a mixed grill later today. Last night we did burgers and Jock's flaming chips. But yeah, it's just bloody lekker being out again.
Hello.
How was your first day camping with us?
Good.
What did you do?
We climbed the mountain
Okay.
and we built a base.
Okay. Will you camp with us again? Tell us what happened with the swimming yesterday.
Yesterday we were at a mountain and Lian was too scared to swim with us and John too, but then you came and swam and then I came and then John and Lian was too scared.
Yeah, Lian, John, what happened? Tell in your words, in your defense.
I wasn't scared. I just didn't want it to go in the water because it was cold. So he showed us.
In summary, if you Google that sentence, it will say scared as the result.
I think so.
Hey guys, we're starting climbing. So we're looking if we could. When we're scared that there's snakes maybe there, so we're gonna try to go around up. So you gotta try. Cheers.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. Your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
So every member has got a task. Hey, Reynhardt? Tomorrow, John, it's your turn. You're in relay, huh? Reynhardt? Jy het nie geweet jy gaan skorrelgoed was op hierdie trip, né?
Ek was in my broek te val, ek amper van die berg af.
Okay, amper klaar, manne.
Laaste een.
Dis die laaste een, ja. Dan gooi jy water uit en dan kan jy verdwyn.
Okay, ons kan nou verdwyn.
Ah, nee. Jy gaan nou rooi af.
Dit is nou verdwyn.
Wat is daai?
It's a tok-tokkie.
Hallo! Tel het bolle op.
Nee.
Hy rol dit. Dink julle Katrin Carlies is bang vir dit?
Ja.
Hey, I just want to say, no, I'm not going to get involved.
Geet van haar.
Ek wil.
Ek het gevind. I found it.
Just for the record, I wasn't involved in this because this is going to go sideways so quickly. Okay, John, what are we going to do?
We're gonna play a game of Montagu.
Yeah.
And the winner can get a pack of chocolate chip cookies.
The remaining of this pack?
Yeah.
Or a brand new pack?
No, maybe both. And the
loser
has to give it to him.
and the loser has to make coffee.
Yeah.
So if I win, I get a pack of choc chip cookies and you make coffee for me tonight.
And if I win, I get
A pack of choc chip cookies?
chip cookies and is there hot chocolate?
I think there is.
Then hot chocolate for me.
Okay, it is. Boom.
A few moments later.
So Dad, what happened now net?
Just now.
Just now, yeah.
Okay, so we played a Rummy Cup match and the idea was John, the loser, will make coffee or chocolate tonight and the winner will get the coffee of course and also choc chip cookies. So John, jy het my gewen met 3 what do you call this? Tokens.
Tokens.
Yeah. So I'll admit He won, you won. Black skottel. Mother buffer. Lian, step away from the kitchen. So, societies for later today. So we decided to go with the added room. If we have a look. This is me. Lian, show your tent quickly. Come up.
This is my tent. This is my clean tent.
Okay, and upstairs.
There's nothing to see there. I was nothing.
Okay, go. Show the people. Show the people. Oh.
It's not that bad.
Is it not that bad? Okay, Lian.
Yep.
What happened here?
No idea.
Sort it out. Hierdie is 'n groot probleem. Well done, Joinky. What a legend. Okay. At the top. And there is a road. Okay. Ja. Okay, sê gou vir papa. Reynhardt. Hoe was dit? Was it easy?
No.
Lian, how was it?
Right.
Okay, enjoy. I just wanna, we need to get the face of John.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Jockey. This was easy for you, huh?
Nice and climb.
And then there was the road.
I think four-wheel drives would be able to drive on.
Yes. What a beautiful scenery. Huh? There is our camp. Okay, John, I can come, Lian, come, Lian, come. Kom hier, John. Okay, kom. Kom, John, vanaf. Okay, de grond. John, kom, was. Johnny, zo.
Ja, ik lach.
John, nou.
Reynhardt is daar net gelijk geval.
Kom, Lian. Kom, Lian. Stop. Stand stil. Kom, Reynhardt. Ja, stand stil.
Oh, skum.
Dat was lekker nog een beetje.
Oké, kom.
Wees.
Kom hier zo.
Binnen. Goed.
Waar is hij? Handdoekjes hier zo. Handdoekjes hier zo. Nee, oppie de handdoek. Nee, dan, oppie de rest, oppie dan. John, who's winning?
Ja.
You are. Go, Lian.
Karrelen. Niet te duur.
Ik beloof jou, jy soek hierdie kat nie.
Hy is my weeskat, hulle is die lelikste katte ooit.
Die Jolonder.
Nee, hier is nie.
Reynhardt, was jou kaart vir my?
Daar is 'n leuke kat. Yes.
Is daai 'n goeie kat?
Nee, glad hier lyk lelik.
Waar is die straatkat?
Hierheen.
Papa, ek weet dit erg en hierdie en daai.
Maar hoe het jy seker goed in hy katte?
Daar's 'n ander wat jy moet hoor.
O,
Ja, hier is 'n ander pas.
it is Sunday and the boys are already busy. Who's winning? Oh, well done, Reynhardt. Kom op, Lian.
And that's...
Is that a wrap?
Oh, stop. And that's a winner.
It's gonna be a hot day. It's gonna be. Yesterday was really awesome. We took the boys up this little mountain or little hill, whatever you want to call it. Having breakfast now, and yeah, I think late afternoon or late morning we're gonna start packing up, and I think in Montagu or in Robertson we're gonna do some lunch, and then it's back to Wellington. Stay tuned. Cheers, bye. En almal het maar werkies op 'n trip. So hier span B besig. Team B is busy. Team A was yesterday. And today we've got the other team. We've just packed up base. And now okay, so we're going up here to a viewpoint. John is op die stokke. En om Pierre sê dis reg so. We're gonna probably stop here somewhere later for lunch. It is already hot. Lian, hoe is it? Is jy wakker? Reynhardt. Was it lekker? Yeah, it's a beautiful scenery, guys. This is going to be awesome. Yep, we're going to quickly do a lunch, and from the campsite till here they were complaining about this watering hole, so here we are. Okay, nou wat eerste uitkom koop ek 'n Romeinse Montagu. En skoon. Dit help nie. Jammer, as ek sien lekker. Ja, jy is wat van skoon.